thermal muffler. That's all to do with the straight pipe. So we're gonna stick this son of a bitch in fucking probably in, I don't know what that is there, probably B1. We got this big fucking thing behind it. We're gonna just step it out of the way.
Hey guys, how's she going today? Well, a couple days after we finished combining canola, so yesterday we just got everything moved back home again. But last night, Dad and Amanda and I went out and picked a load of green oat bales, what we had left to pick. And then you can almost see it from here. Oh, if you can see through the raindrops, just wait. Oh, that made it way worse. Anyways, over there is a load of pea straw. Amanda made 35 pea straw bales, so we gotta go and pick those. And then there's 318 barley straw. Like 200 or something oat straw. Shit. 200 and something millet. And probably close to 300 hay bales yet. So we had been working on picking them, but once it was ready to combine, that kind of got put on the back burner. So won't take too long with the two trailers. I can haul 19 at a time here on this truck, and then the red towing truck and the other trailer can haul 22. So the bulk of them are right around home here. There's only a couple hundred hay and then those millet bales over at Grandpa's there. I mean, there's a few over there, but all the straw and that's right at home here at least. So, and then I got a buddy that I'm probably gonna help move some too. So anyway, 46 is gonna be the unloader, and the McCormick is in the field doing the loading. That's the plan for today anyways, I think, is see how many bales we can get moved. Well, I guess after dinner I'm going to do some grain marketing here, so that'll take a bit of my time. But for now, though, move bales. So talk to you in a few. Gotta make the rows even. Well, just out doing some air seeding. Now, there's some big ruts here right in front of the yard where we got to go through to make our bale stacks. And whatever, from when we seeded this spring when it was so wet, the drill left some pretty good ruts. So instead of driving through and raking an axle on the truck or the trailer, 835 was actually still hooked up to the air seeder from this spring, so jumped in him here real quick and dragged some of these godforsaken ruts out here a little bit. And then life will be way better when we're stacking bales that way. Just knives on here, but still busting up the dirt. Smoothing things out a little bit there, especially if I go across it a couple of times. Anyway, that is all. Oh yeah, look at this too. I got a new knob. Nice! Fuck, that's king. Well, I don't know, next day, hauling bales. Some people always ask what I think of there. They say, oh, the quad range, that sucks for moving bales. Fucking power shift. Anyway, figured I'd show you how. So, we're in B1, B2. That's plenty fast enough for going forward to go and grab another set off the trailer. And I've got a foot throttle in here. So, try and do this one-handed. Use my elbow to steer. Drop to B1 and float her up. curl the bucket. This would be quicker if I had both hands, but there we go. Grab them, and then usually while I'm curling my bucket back, I'll shift with my other hand, but so they both just go chunk. Now we're in A1 reverse, and I don't go as fast with the bales on the bucket because these are fucking heavy. So anyway, like I said, now we're in, there's A2 reverse. That's plenty fast enough for backing up. So anyway, I don't know, not the end of the world, but maybe some people don't have patience, I guess. I don't know, I don't think it's that bad. So there you go, bang bang, B1 forward again. So anyway, get this unloaded and we'll bring you back in a few. Nothing like the sound of my bank account going empty. Well, it's the next day again. Amanda's getting some lessons on how to load a trailer. She got her first 2 bales. She was a little bit cockeyed when she came up to the trailer, but we'll square that up after. She was nice and tight to the front here at least anyways, so that's what's important. You don't want to have too much space because then you won't have enough room to get your last 2 bales onto the trailer. So anyway, that's what's happening here today. I think there's about, I don't know, about 60-ish left out here. So and then of course there's 168 or something like that hay bales over there on the other side. So anyway, that's the plan for today. So just keep hauling bales. It's finally not raining, cloudy and overcast, but the sun was trying to come out a couple times. Oh well, talk to you in a few. There. Well, that time she was nice and straight, but a little bit back. We'll get there. There we go. Another load. And there's about 43 left here if our count is correct. So I suppose make our way home here now. Take our time. Kind of nice this truck has overloads on it, so we're not even fucking really sitting on them. Nice! I like that. Almost time for tires though. Anyway, continue on. La 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 la. La 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 la.
You'll be mad. No, you're fine. Are you mad? What, Maya? Are you angry or hangry? Here he comes. Larry! There's the puppy, Maya. Larry, what are you doing? Where's the puppy, Mighty? Is there a ladybug? There's probably lots of ladybugs.
What I find funny is Dad figures, 4020 is the best tractor ever built. He loves the 4640 for doing things. Well, I love the 5020, right? So I unhooked it from the auger to unload a couple bales there last time when we were at home here, because Amanda was unloading at the 46. Just getting home here, and he's unloading bales at the 5020. So, I mean, he always allots a piece of shit, that tractor, just to get a guy worked up. But I think, honestly, he also thinks that's the best tractor that's ever been built. I don't know. Makes a guy kind of wonder. Anyway. How close the 7721 come to getting used. I really wanted to run it on the 5020 this year on some oat swaths or barley or something, but it just never worked out. Anyway, this won't take too long to unload here with both of the tractors going, so thing with the manure tires on here with the net raft like that. You gotta be careful not to pinch the bales underneath there and pull the raft off, but oh well. Anyway, it's unloaded here and we'll talk to you in a few. That trailer unloaded. I was just hopping in the old Detroit here. Gonna go help old Rockin' Roberts Roadhouse combine his 100 acres of peas. He owes me a bit of money and a bit of seed from stuff over the years, so I'm just gonna, I'm gonna help him combine it all, but I'm just gonna take a truckload, and then there's no money changes hands that way, and a little bit less for the government to get their dirty little dick beaters on, so. Anyway, so I'm just going to fire up the Detroit and run that over here tonight, so I'm ready to go for tomorrow. And he's out there combining right now. It looks like a hell of a good crop, so he should have lots to put in the bin anyway. But anywho, I suppose, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, talk to all you in the next one. Nice! Even done airing up. It'll start buzzing again in a minute though, because the other needle's not moving.